To DJ's Prestigious Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes E-Class diesel, lovely condition, finished in grey, front park distance control, absolutely unmarked, diamond cut, alloy wheels, Pirelli tyres, reverse park distance control, twin exhausts. It looks like Pirelli tyres all the way around. It's been well looked after. Boot area in lovely condition. Full leather with a white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats in all good condition, no tips, wear or anything. Automatic headlights, satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, multimedia package, USB 1 and 2 there, climate control with air conditioning. DJs with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.